Hey, Programming 11. Hey, if you ever wanted to put words into your sketch, this is a quick tutorial that'll show you how to type into your sketch to type whatever it is you want. I've written Hello World, which is the classic first text that people often have a computer display in any programming course going back long, long time ago. I'm not sure how long that tradition has been going on. So we'll carry on that tradition today as well. So check out this code over here. Wow. So you don't have to do, I guess we'll just start with it's a size 600 600 sketch. And then we have some new functions to create text. So the first two here are just sort of setting up the different size and way that the text is going to be centered. So I don't care what size it is, really. I mean, you might particularly choose. You can choose a different size and make the text, really big or make it, really small, and you can kind of control that however you wish. Um, the align text align center center is something I just do for all of my text. I always choose align center center. Basically, it means when you go to type the x and y coordinates for for the text, you are going to be making it the sort of middle point of your words will align with that point. So, for example, if I say 0, 0, and I make this, maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger again, then it's the center of the word hello world, like somewhere like in the middle there between around the comma, somewhere around there. That's what's going to align to 0, 0. And you can see like that's where it went. And if I move this around, if I make this 50, 50, we can see that now we've moved that over here. So this is sort of the point at which the XY coordinate is measured. So I just do that always because it seems less confusing if I just choose the center of the text. Fill is how you color text. So if I change the fill, it will change the color of the text. And you might think it's stroke, but for some reason it's fill. So that's good to know. And then the actual function that types the words on the screen is the text function. So once you have chosen a size, you've chosen an alignment style, and you've chosen the fill color, then you can also choose what the letters are going to be. So the way it works is it takes 3 arguments. This is the actual text, and you have to put double quotes around it. So this is one single character. It's the double quotation mark. So you just type it once with the key. You press shift and that. It's not 2 single quotes. It's 1 double quote. And then you can type whatever text you want in here. Whatever. You can go in there and you'll get some lovely text. Whoops, I guess we should get it out again so we can see what's going on. So whatever you type in there will appear. And you can do multiple lines of text, just like you could do multiple multiple ellipses or rectangles or whatever. So I'll put in the word I don't know, stuff. And maybe I'll put that at 400, 400. So stuff will be at a different place, but it will still be the same size, alignment, and fill. So we'll get a green stuff down there. If I wanted to change any particular property, it's just like an ellipse or a rect or whatever, you just would put in new. So if I want this to be red, then I could put that here, and then that one becomes red. I could change the size just for this piece of text. I could say text size, um, I don't know, 200, some giant thing. And then that will be larger. So you're welcome to play around with text. I'm doing this in a static mode sketch, but if you did it in an animated sketch with void draw, then you could put variables inside of here just like you would have any kind of shape that you wanted to move around. So you can have text that moves. And if you were interested in doing something like the compass that we did earlier, then you could also make it rotate as well and do some fun stuff with that. So interesting possibilities are out there for you to experiment with. So that's how you do text. I haven't shown you how to change the font. Maybe I'll do that as a separate video sometime soon. But this will at least allow you to put words onto your sketch and put some messages and stuff like that. So I think that'll be exciting to do. Okay, thanks Programming 11.